Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. I hope you enjoyed last week's video where we showed you how you can use minced beef in 3 different ways, and I hope you implemented it in your meal plan journey. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you do. I'll be including the link to that video in the description below. In today's video, we'll be doing a vegetarian dish. I'll be showing you how to make vegetarian stir fry udon. The ingredients that you will need to make the stir fry are 2 packets of udon noodles. I'm using the frozen ones. I just boiled it in water for about 2 to 3 minutes. 1 packet of baked tofu, minced garlic and ginger, orange bell pepper, celery, cabbage, diced onion. I'm also using dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Let's cook. In a hot pan with oil, I'm using avocado oil in this case. Start adding your ginger and your minced garlic. Once the ginger and the garlic become fragrant, add in your onion. We're gonna start adding the vegetables based on how long it takes to cook. So first we're gonna be adding the celery, and the cabbage. And after that, we're gonna be adding the orange bell pepper. You can use red bell pepper, orange, or yellow, whichever one you like. I just like to use the color ones to add a pop of color in your dish. After all the vegetables are starting to soften up, you can add your baked tofu. Since the tofu is already cooked, all we're doing is heating it up and letting it soak all the flavors of the vegetables. Now we're gonna be adding the mixture of sauces, which is the dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit of sesame oil to give it that umami flavor. Mix in the sauce to make sure that it's well incorporated in all the vegetables and the tofu. Now it's time to add the cooked udon. In this case, the udon is all mixed together because it's cooked. So all you're going to be doing is letting the sauce get to the udon, and so it'll slowly start separating. And we're gonna cover for a few minutes to let the flavors all incorporate and bring this dish together. At this point, the dish is complete. You can serve it with any additional sauce that you like. Since I like spicy food, I just drizzle some sriracha because it goes very well with any stir fry, and I top it with toasted sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what other dishes you would like to see. If you are recreating this video, please show me on Instagram and tag me #Ley Sisters so I can see your creations and we can all eat delicious food. This is also a great recipe that you can meal prep and enjoy for lunch or dinner throughout the week. Bye!